Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and Push-Button Ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, dual moonroof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.